The new password. I'm going to explain it to you over video. Remember what our last password was? I updated it based on changes. Changes. Um, how else to put it? I mean, everyone in the group has changed in the past year. I mean, okay. I love you. I'm about to do my own video. Hmm. I mean, okay. I like your puppets. They're really cute. And maybe about the I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we can do. I love you and I'm planning on seeing your show. Okay. Bye. I'm being pathetic. Bye.